Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join private servers in Roblox if it's not working for you and so on and so forth. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now I have here a Roblox server, and if I click on it, it will instantly opens up. So now first things first, you want to go ahead and enter your code in your browser. Basically paste it here. Now once you will paste it and click go, it will open up on your browser here, but you can click open in Roblox application just like so, and you will be redirected to this private server. Now if it's not working for you, it may be because the owner has changed the private server link and no one can join it, or your Roblox account is not 13+ years and doesn't have the required settings to join a private server. So if you don't have a permission, the person who shares a link needs to go to his Roblox, then click on more, and then scroll down until you see settings, and then go on privacy. On privacy, you want to go ahead and find visibility and private servers. Click on it, and on private servers, you need to be the person who shares a link needs to set it up maybe to everyone, friends and followers, friends and people I follow, or friends if you are friends with that person. And that's pretty much it, what you can do to join the private server. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.